Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic uses of common metal. In last my class, I have explained to you few metals and their uses. So today I will give you few more metals and their uses. Okay. So today I am going to start the first one metal, lead. What is the metal? Lead. So lead is very soft metal and silvery white and greenish metal also. Silver white and greenish color. So lead is available in two color, silvery white color and greenish color also. And this is one of the most important metal in the radioactive absorber. Mainly we can call it a radioactive absorber. Okay, and it's also toxic metal also. It's a word mean toxic metal. It's a very harmful for the human. Okay, toxic metal. And other characteristics of that metal means it's a malleable and ductile and the good conductor of heat and electricity also. The first of all, the color, silvery white and greenish color is available, and it is also toxic metal and it's a good absorber of that radioactive radiations. Okay, and the other one is a malleable character and ductile character and a good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, and it will give you more examples about this one, which is used as lining for sink pipes and sanitary fittings. Lining of sink. For example, in our homes, is a different type of work. That means pipes is available there. So we will be use the lead for lining. Lining means over covering of the pipe. So if covering with lead, what happen? It will be resist more years. This is a very friendly. That means corrosive nature. This is not easy to attack any corrosion. Okay. That's why we are using lead is usually as a lining for a sink pipe and sanitary. So it is helpful to us for corrosion. Okay. So if that water or moisture is a direct pipe or any other metals, the direct contact with the air and atmosphere, air and moisture, what happened is a start to degrade. Degrade means in the form of rust. So that lead is helpful to us that decreasing. That means it's a help to us for the protective layer between that metal and air. That's why it is free from the corrosion and rust. Okay. Then next one, it is also used for making alloys. The lead is also help to making alloys, different type of alloys like solder. So it's one example of the alloy solder. So how this solder is prepare? So mixing of different metals, preparing of different metals. So this solder contain lead, antimony and tin. These three different metals combined together to form a alloy. So this alloy is also good strength and durable. Okay. Next one, it is used as a protective shield for X-rays and harmful radioactive radiation. Is also protecting cover. So first inform to you that means lead is a good absorber of radioactive radiation. That's why lead is act as a protector. So that lead is also content helpful to us for the absorbing radioactive radiation. That's why we free from that radioactive radiation. Okay, these are main uses of lead. Second one, magnesium. What's the second one? Magnesium. So I will give you uses of magnesium. Magnesium is silvery white metal. Magnesium is a silvery white metal. Okay. And magnesium is used in the fireworks since it is burned with a dazzling white light. Dazzling light, white light is formed. Okay. For example, we are also using that. We are using different type of firecrackers. Okay. So we are getting that some if blasting this one, we are getting dazzling white flames. Okay. So that magnesium is you mainly used in the fireworks. Okay. So the main reason it produces the white color flame. The other substance or other combustible substance produce that yellow color, bluish color, some different color of flame. But the magnesium only after burning it produces in the dazzling white light. Okay. Next one, it is used in the preparation of alloys used for making parts of aircraft, machinery and household appliances. So the magnesium also used in making alloys, aircraft parts and machinery parts and household parts also prepared or manufactured in the help of the magnesium. Next one, it is used in the extraction of metals such as uranium and titanium from their salt. The magnesium help to us for that extraction process. What is the extraction? So that separating the impure substance from the particular metals. For example, that uranium and titanium, this type of metals having their own impurities. So we want to extract uranium and the impurities. We will use the magnesium and their salt. Okay. So magnesium and the salt help to us for the separation or secretion of the uranium and titanium impurities. Okay. So these are the main uses of magnesium. And next one, calcium. I hope all of you know this one. Calcium is a familiar one, and this is a color white, silvery white metal. Calcium is a silvery white metal. It is the most abundant metal in the human body. So this calcium is abundantly and large quantity present in the body. Okay. The calcium is an abundant metal in the human body also. And the first one, calcium is used in many alloys for special uses. Calcium is also used as an alloy, manufacturing of alloys. Alloyed with a lead. It is used as a sheet for telephone cables. Telephone cable, so that covered with like a sheet. So we are using that alloy of calcium. Okay. Next one, calcium carbonate is used in the manufacturing of glass. Calcium carbonate, the form of calcium. This will help to us for the manufacturing of glass things. Okay. And cement and washing soda, etc. These are prepared in the help of calcium. Okay. And next one, calcium chloride is used as a drying agent. Calcium chloride acts as a drying agent. Drying agent means the easy to dry is absorb the water content. Absorb the water content, then turn to dry. So that's why calcium chloride acts as a and help to us as a drying agent. The marble means calcium carbonate, is used for making building and statues. Calcium carbonate is also helpful to us for that manufacturing the building and some statues. Okay. Next one, chalk, calcium carbonate, chalk is used as a pigment in the materials such as the ceramics and paint. It is also used for making lime and Portland cement. The other use of the calcium carbonate is used for pigment in the materials such as ceramics and paint. So paint and ceramics is one part. Okay, it is also used in the ceramics and paints, and it is also used for making lime and Portland cement. So these are the main uses of calcium. And next one, gold and silver. Gold and silver. I hope all of you know this one is one of the famous metal and precious metal and costly also. Gold and silver. So both gold and silver are precious metal. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. The metals always good conductor of heat and electricity, and the gold also and silver also good conductor of heat and electricity. First one, gold and silver are used to make jewelry and coins. Make jewelers and coins. Okay. They are used for making artificial teeth and filling teeth cavities. So metals are gold and silver also useful and precious metal, and it is also used for making jewelry and coins. And next one, they are used for making artificial teeth and filling teeth cavities. So if in case of the teeth cavity, so whatever we are also using, the instead of that place we are using gold or silver also. Okay, this also help us as a protective layer. And next one, as the gold can reflect infrared radiation, its thin films are used on satellite to control temperature. So in that gold can reflect the infrared radiations. That's why we are using the gold in that in the aircraft, and it's also using in the satellite also. So if we are using this thin layer of the gold in the satellite, is also control the temperature. That's why gold is also used in the satellite. And silver is also used for making the electrodes and in electroplating. And electroplating process, silver is also used for the full mechanism. Okay. And these are the main uses of gold and silver. So I am giving few examples and few metals and their uses, and all of you read and learn these uses carefully. Okay, thank you.